Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Intraday Screener versus TradeFinder. Best trading tool. If you're into intraday trading, speed and accuracy matter most. Two tools often compared are Intraday Screeners and TradeFinder, each with every different approaches. Intraday screeners, like those on TradingView or Chart Inc., let you filter stocks in real time using price, volume, RSI, and other indicators. They're highly customizable and give you complete control, but they do require technical knowledge, can feel overwhelming if not set up right, and usually work best on desktop rather than mobile. On the other hand, TradeFinder is a subscription based platform built specifically for Indian markets. It delivers instant buy and sell signals using a proprietary algorithm. With features like in-day boost, option focus, and educational resource for beginners, the downside is that it only supports Indian equities. The algorithm isn't fully transparent, and there are no trial or refund options. So if you value flexibility, customization, and global reach, intraday screeners are your best bet. But if you want fast, beginner-friendly signals tailored to Indian stocks and options, TradeFinder could be the right fit. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.